Welcome back to Landvik.
Kitsap gone wild.
Find a Navy wife. Clean up some cobwebs.
You're just gonna try to go look for someone, a Navy wife?
Yeah, it's Bremerton. There's always like a Navy wife who's dating.
You gonna talk to the Navy wife?
My experience, Navy wives are freaky.
The following footage shows an arrest conducted by the Kitsap County Sheriff's Office on February 6th, 2026. The individual in the footage is a 47-year-old female named Sabrina Marie Senecal. According to public records, Senecal is currently held at the Kitsap County Jail on a $750,000 cash or bond requirement. Her next appearance in Kitsap County Superior Court is scheduled on August 4th, 2026. Senecal faces 4 felony charges under Washington state law.
So, at your house, with you right there. I'm finally meeting you now.
Yes, I talked to you on the phone once.
We talked on the phone once. So, based on our investigation right now, in Westland and the Kitsap Sheriff's Office, there is probable cause to arrest you, okay? So you're under arrest. And sir, I will talk to you with any questions you may have as well, okay?
I have lots.
I'll contact audio and video recording. Okay, cool.
I'm David 153 681 custody.
I get it. You're trying to be proactive with it as well.
Yeah, well, we didn't know what it was, and I thought you were still waiting.
Actually, we're going to look at my phone. Okay. Just letting you know my body camera's going.
So I understand I can
I could have spent the weekend in Miranda if you could come get me. For sure. The weekend, right?
Yeah, there's no bail, so you have to see a judge at least on Monday.
Court's not till Monday. No. You can bring your cell phone and get the contacts out of it if you don't remember this phone number. I have people on midnight, but how do I come in? The jail will provide it. So are they going to provide me a choice since I can't afford one? I'm going to read you your rights? Yep. But we'll turn on your camera. You guys need to talk, or are you guys talking later? Because I'm just transporting. So Sabrina, I'm just transporting you to the jail. So I just want you to read you your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Yes. Having these rights in mind, you wish to talk to us now? No, I need an attorney with me, and I can't afford them. I turned on your camera. The crimes. Would you like to list off the crimes so she knows?
Yeah, I can get them.
You list off the crimes, and then I will take you to the Kitsap County Jail, okay?
And then, so that's when I can call him when I get there?
Once they've got you through the booking process. Because my partner didn't
Just
say
to give it the crimes, or she mentioned
the crimes, right?
What's on the
PC
sheet specifically?
So it's trafficking, exploitation of a minor,
I'm just letting you know my camera's rolling inside the car.
and third, and communicating with
All 4 of them on the PC sheet? Okay, cool. Yeah, I told her that part. Yeah.
So this is Detective Emery, and she'll read off her.
Hi. So, Detective Porter's the main one, so I'd ask him. But on the PC statement, there's trafficking 1st degree, 3rd, communicating with a minor for immoral purposes. I think that's it.
Okay.
Okay. And then that all I can explain to you later, but just so you're aware. Okay. Is that her wallet?
Alright. Cool. Anything else? I read her rights, and she would like to talk to an attorney.
She wants an attorney?
Yeah, but she's been told her 3 crimes, and they're all domestic violence crimes.
Yes.
Anything else?
Did someone tell him that I can call him from there since he can't talk?
We will let him know.
Here?
You good?
I'm good. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
I'll let him
I just see some cash and IDs.
You said there is cash in there?
There's
How much did you count?
hundreds. I didn't count it
Will
all.
you give him that money, or does he want her to?
So I would tell.
Jason, do you want to take cash or there's?
Do you want to take the cash, or do you want her to have the cash? I can also use it for anything.
They'll put it on her books, but then you don't get the cash back.
Just so that's hers.
Yeah, she has to be okay with it.
Yeah. Would you like your husband to take all your things?
okay if I'm here?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you-
We're just gonna take your ID, okay? But everything else we'll give to your husband.
She has that in military ID, whichever you prefer.
Got it. Alrighty. Thank you.
So if you want to sit down and talk to me, you're more than welcome to. So it's not on the side of the road.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do, what I'm supposed to say. I don't know anything.
Okay. You're not the suspect in our investigation,
I understand.
to my knowledge. Would you? It sounds like you've been waiting on an attorney probably to represent her criminally or whatever. So
We've been going through the. Obviously, there's been a protection order between her and my daughter. So we've been trying to get an attorney to talk about that, but now I guess we need a criminal defense attorney. And nobody will call us back. So I guess I'll just go figure that out now.
Okay. Would you like to sit down and talk with me related to the criminal matter?
Is there anything you can tell me more than what you have?
I mean, I'd like to sit down with you at some point and go over this whole thing because there's a lot to it. And I don't know. I mean, and obviously, what you tell me is, I mean, I'm investigating a crime against your wife, and you understand that.
Right.
It's not.
That's why I don't know anything about law. We talk about nuclear submarines, you and I can tell you some things, but law, not so much. So I don't want to say anything that I shouldn't say. I mean, I'm happy to sit down and listen, but
Say anything and that's kind of a broad term. Is to say anything you shouldn't say when you have just as much, if not more. I would say you equally are husband and wife. I mean, I think you would want to know a lot of this, or maybe can answer some of this. I mean, I understand if you don't want to talk to me. You're not required to by any means.
I understand. I would feel a lot
that.
more comfortable with a lawyer next to me.
Okay, fair enough.
If we can get a hold of one.
Other questions? As far as charges, that it's no bail at this time because it's a DV crime on 3 of the crimes, and then court I would assume is on Monday.
Okay, and someone will call and tell me when that is, or do I have to figure that
It's
out?
up to you to get on the Kitsap County Superior Court website.
Okay.
You can look up her booking once she's booked into jail. But yeah, just get on our court website and you can review her booking. If you're getting an attorney for her on her behalf, you can direct them.
I doubt we'll be able to get one before.
She'll get appointed one at least on Monday
Yeah.
for at least that first hearing, which is a really brief hearing. It's like, these are the crimes. Here's the PC statement, which is like a really brief synopsis of the investigation. So if that's a court appointed attorney, that's that works. A lot of people do that. And then if you want to get a private attorney after that, you always can too.
Okay.
Just because I know a lot of defense attorneys don't answer their phones on the weekends. So.
Okay. All right. Now, I guess I don't have any more questions.
Okay. All right. And I can ask you questions. You don't want me to, so I won't engage in that right now.
Okay.
At some point, if you want to sit down with me, we can go over all these
I'm happy
allegations.
to with a lawyer there.
Okay.
I have nothing to hide. I just want to have a lawyer there.
Sure.
Because they're smarter than I am.
They're smarter than I am too. I agree.
I wish they weren't.
All right, dear.